Hi, I'm Sneh Savani. I'm the director of PP Savani University. And PP Savani is an organization that's been into the education field for approximately 30 years now. So, in the beginning, what I would say that all the reports that are prepared by XTrade right now, they're very easy to access and very easy to understand because right now I'm a small university. I do not have the time to train my employees and staff to be very technical and skillful. They're quite new into the counseling world, quite new into the telecalling world, and I needed a software that actually helps them understand and adapt, not straight away throws all these complex dialogues at you and starts confusing you and how do you say, it just creates an uncertain pressure for my team. That is the best reason that I chose XTrade for the simplicity. Adaptability wise, my team has adapted very well, and there are two reasons to this because I'm your product is the primary thing, but I'm more happy about your after sales service. What happens is एक बार आपने coaching दे दिया, training दे दिया, उसके बाद there is from some people there are no responses. एक बार sale हो गया, then why to worry? But with XTrade, what is it? Any problem, we have a point of contact in XTrade. A simple phone, this thing, and then in the next 2 days the problem is solved. Right. Any doubt, you call them. In the next 5 minutes, the problem is solved. So that quick communication and positive, constant communication is the reason I think we have been been able to adapt to this software. Generally, because I'm from the admin side of the things, I generally only look at the reports mainly, and that is the most important feature that has absolutely impressed me. Because what happens is data collection is very easy, but then assimilating the data, organizing the data, and then presenting that data are very important. You can collect data from everywhere, but if you do not know how to actually show it as statistics, there is no point. The way the data have been showed, represented, and very easy to understand, to be honest. If I want something कि मेरे इतने admission कहाँ से निकले, I know what to do. The complexity, that is where it is simple in both matters, for counselors and telecallers as well, and for the management as well. Because I do not have the day-to-day time to go through all of the recordings, to go through all of the counselor activities. I have the time to go for a small brief about what's going on. And that brief is given to me by the reports section of XTrade. So that I can easily bifurcate कि एक वीक में कितना हुआ है, 1 day में कितना हुआ है, 1 month में कितना हुआ है. It's very easy. That is the key feature that I am happy with. If you ask my counselors and telecallers and everything, they will give you different answers. The after sales service. Because before approaching XTrade, I don't want to name, but I've approached a lot of companies and this thing. What I saw that Daksh, he immediately gelled into the PP Savani family, I would say. That is very important too, because we were moving from a completely manual world to a very automated, different type of. It is a very drastic step. The way Daksh approached us, the way Ruchi and everyone, the whole team. Yeah. I'm sorry if I don't get a few names involved. These two were in the forefront, I think. Daksh for introducing us to this software, and Ruchi for constantly taking our feedbacks, constantly telling us all the new things coming out. Because generally what happens is all the new updates and all that are not actually होता कि after sales service में not a lot of companies give that this thing कि नया आया है, they do not tell the organization कुछ नया आया है. They tell the new customers कि ये नया है, the old one are done. कि हो गया है, contract sign हो गया है, अभी आगे कुछ करना नहीं है. But that type of attitude I have not seen at XTrade, and that is one of the things that I am very happy about. To any new university who is trying to move to an automated platform, I suggest XTrade, because you are moving from a very manual world to a completely digital and tech savvy this thing. So there is a very big bridge in between these areas. and Extra Edge is the link and is the bridge that helped us convert. Now today I can proudly say PP Savani University is an automated university in the admission prospect wise. That is only possible because the efforts of your team and my team actually collaborating and coming in between to meet each other. They might counselors and telecallers keep on demanding things that are not possible, and Extra Edge team keep on giving us negative feedback saying that this is not possible, how will we do this thing. So what happens is every single time we face the problem, we've always come out in the middle and meet each other. Okay, aisa hai, this is the problem, what do you want to do, what do you suggest? It's not that our telecallers and marketing, these things have only commanded. We've asked for suggestions. And in the same way, Extra has done the same thing.